आनंदी आनंद सादर करीत आहे नवरदेव विशेष इंग्रजी उखाणे। Lord Ram born in Ayodhya, Lord Krishna in Mathura, dash is my everything, I am impressed with her aura. Tatas are famous for donation, Ambani's for relation, dash is my angel, will care for her with devotion. I am handsome and she is beautiful, I am handsome and she is beautiful, my life with dash has become wonderful. Star has 5 corners, square has 4, dash is in my heart, I don't want anything more. Himalaya is tallest, Ganga is longest, Himalaya is tallest, Ganga is longest, dash is my dearest because her soul is purest. Marriage is a state of being husband and wife, marriage is a state of being husband and wife, my pair with dash is perfect for entire life. Indian flag has 4 colors, saffron, white, green and blue, dash is my wife, I know her true value. I like summer, she likes winter, today is a special day, now dash is mine forever. Honey from Mahabaleshwar is known to be pure, my life with dash will be happy for sure. हे उखाणे जर तुम्हाला आवडले असतील तर व्हिडिओ लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि असेच नवनवीन विषय पाहण्यासाठी आनंदी आनंदला जरूर सबस्क्राइब करा। भेटूया आनंदी आनंदच्या एका नव्या भागात नव्या विषयासह। तोपर्यंत नमस्कार।